Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In last video we saw how to download and how to configure the Microsoft Outlook app from Microsoft Store, and in today's video we are going to see some basic features like how to add the email signatures in Outlook apps and how to enable CC and BCC option while composing a new email. So first thing first, we are going to take a look how to add the email signatures in Microsoft Outlook app. So first thing, go to the settings, and then under the accounts you will see a option of signatures. First you have to set the name of signatures. So here I will write test, and we will write thank you, regards, and you can write your mobile number. Click save, and then from here set the default signature. For new messages you have to select test. If you want to make a new signature for reply, then again you can write here reply and forward test. Click save, and then you will see the both options. So here we will select reply and forward and click save. We will close it, and then once we go for a new email, you see my signatures are appearing here. So the next thing is permanently fix the CC and BCC option in Outlook app. To permanently add under two option of CC and BCC, all you have to do is go to the settings, then go to mail, and then compose an email, and here message format always show BCC, and then click save, and then we will compose a new email. Here you can see now the by default CC and BCC option is appearing. So last we will see how to change the language and time zone in the Microsoft Outlook app. So for this, again go to the settings, then click general, and here you will see the first option, language and time. Here if you want to change the language to Arabic, then go down and select your country. So I'm going to select Arabic for Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Then I will click here and then click save. So as you can see here, the language now is completely in Arabic. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.